Greetings to all. Myself, I am Dr. R. Venkatesh, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Physics, Vishavivar College, Trichirappalli. Welcome to short video lecture on thermal radiation. Hope you will enjoy the lecture. Thank you. In the short learning video, we will see some basic information on thermal radiation, properties of thermal radiation, black body, and some applications of thermal radiation. Do you know how the Earth receives heat from the Sun? Since the outer space is in complete vacuum, there is no medium for the heat to be transferred by means of conduction or convection process. So the answer is radiation. Earth receives heat from Sun in the form of radiation. The phenomenon of transfer of heat without any material medium is called radiation. Radiation depends on the temperature of the body and the nature of radiating body. Substances such as glass, wood, metals, etc. do absorb radiant heat to a great or lesser degree. Certain other substances like quartz, rock salt, fluorspar allow radiant heat to pass through themselves without getting much warmed. In other words, we can also say that these materials transmit the infrared or the thermal radiation. Electromagnetic spectrum, uh, the thermal radiation or the infrared radiation wavelength ranges from 8 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meter to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter. Basic properties of thermal radiation. Thermal radiation has the electromagnetic wave nature and hence travels through the empty space with the velocity of light. Like light, the thermal radiation travels in a straight line. Thermal radiation obeys laws of inverse square. It exhibits reflection, refraction, interference, diffraction, and polarization phenomena. Thermal radiations cannot be detected by the eye or the photographic plate, but it can be detected by means of a suitable instrument called bolometer. So the bolometer measures the change in resistance with temperature, or you can also alternatively utilize the thermopile for measuring this thermal radiation. Suppose if you are standing near a fire, you feel warm. This is because our body is also a radiator which is receiving more energy from the fire than it is losing by its own radiation. Similarly, when we stand near a block of ice, we feel cold because our body, being at room temperature, loses more energy by radiation than it receives from ice, which is at a much lower temperature, that is at 0 degree centigrade. So Pierre Provost was a person who applied a theory in which he says that every body emits radiation continuously to its surroundings at the rate which depends only on the nature of its surface and temperature, and at the same time it receives radiations from the surroundings at the rate of depending on the surface as well as the temperature of the surroundings. The color of any object sensed by our eye due to the light rays reflected from that object. If there are no reflected rays received by our eyes, then the object appears to be black. In physics sense, black is not a color, it is the absence of light, which means all the visible wavelengths are absorbed by the black object. Characteristics of a black body. A perfect black body is a one which absorbs totally all the radiation of any wavelength that falls on it. It neither reflects nor transmits any radiation. The main characteristics of a black body is that when it is Heated to an elevated temperature, it emits full or total radiation. If a substance is a perfect absorber, then it should also be a perfect radiator. The amount of radiation absorbed on a blackbody surface can be understood by a single simple experiment. Consider there are two surfaces in which one is a polished metal surface and other one is a metal surface coated with a black paint. Attach a piece of wax to both these surfaces. As if you expose these two surfaces with thermal radiation, then the wax which is attached to the black surface will melt shortly and fell down, whereas the wax in the polished surface is still firmly attached. In practice, a perfect black body is not at all available. Lamp black and platinum black are the nearest approach to a black body. We could able to construct our own black body. One of such is Ferris black body. A double-walled hollow copper sphere is taken and coated with lamp black on its inner surface. Ferris black body is having a small opening O on its one side and a conical projection just opposite to it. Any radiation that enters this Ferris black body suffers multiple reflections and about 97% of it is absorbed by the lamp black. After successive reflections, the complete radiation is being absorbed and the conical projection helps in avoiding any direct reflection, which even otherwise the absorption is not at all possible. When this Ferris blackbody is kept in a bath at a fixed temperature, the absorbed heat radiations are emitted through the hole. Applications of thermal radiation. Cooking utensils are blackened at the bottom surface and polished on the upper surface. This is because the black surface will absorb more amount of heat from the furnace and the upper surface of the utensil will not allow the heat to flow outside. White clothes are preferred in summer and dark colored clothes in winter. So this is because the white or light colored clothes will absorb least heat from the sun, whereas the dark colored clothes will absorb more heat from the sun and keep our body warm during the winter. In thermocouple, the exposed surface is blackened to sense even a small change in temperature. Hope this video will be useful and will soon meet you in another short video. Thanks for watching.